The highway-facing glass works complete, standing bold, and every panel moves closer to perfection. Step inside and the story becomes even more powerful. HVAC and firefighting systems fully tested, completely secured. Cables installation powering every corner, every floor, from basements to the highest levels. Tile work advances in the washrooms, where every surface is being refined with care. Ceiling work is in progress, shaping the unseen beauty above. Paint workflows like energy, nearly 70% completed. Car parking designed and approved, ready to take form. Wall paneling stands ready, prepared to bring warmth, texture and identity. Marble samples have arrived to define the pillars, outlet, main lobby and restaurant area with timeless presence. To welcome the future, frame installation rises steadily at the main entrance. Atrium skyroof framing is advancing at pace, defining the space where light will lead the experience. And powering it all, a massive workforce, moving with discipline, executing with precision, driven by one timeline. This is not just progress. This is coordination at scale, where every second delivers visible change, because the future is assembling here.